In today's video, we will replace the tail light for 2023 Honda Civic Hatchback. First, we open the trunk. We'll need to take out this plastic cover using plastic trim remover tool. Would recommend pulling the plastic cover from the edge and going all the way to the top until it comes out. There we took out the plastic cover. There are two screws that we will take out using Phillips screwdriver. Once both the screws are out, from the right bottom side, pull the tail light and wiggle it to a point until it comes out. I tried to wiggle it, but still it wasn't coming out. I had to use the plastic trim remover tool and insert it on the top corner to pull the tail light off. And there we ended up taking out the tail light. It was holding on to these brackets right there. Now we will take out the bracket which is attached in the middle that's holding on to the tail light. Then we'll need to take out two plugs, the black color and the gray color. To take out the plug, press and hold the tab and then pull the plug outwards. One plug is out, the same needs to be done on the other plug. Press and hold the tab and then pull the plug outwards. With both plugs out, there we ended up taking out the taillight completely. Now in case if you just want to change the bulb, it only has one bulb that could be changed and that's the indicator bulb. So what you do is you turn this plug anti-clockwise, take it out, pull the plug out. Suppose you got a new bulb, you just put it back, does not matter this way or the other. Put it back the same way you took it out. Now we match the teeth of the plug to the spot of the tail light. So you just put it there and then turn it clockwise. There's the plug installed. Now we will put the tail light back. First we will put the plugs, the black one goes to the black plug. And the gray color one goes to the gray color plug. We'll also need to install the bracket right there in the middle. Now we have to carefully make sure that these two brackets are installed right in those two holes. We carefully put the tail light and then slightly push from the edge so the brackets hold their grip. We will put back the screws, make sure these two holes are visible to you. The bottom one is not a little bit, so we will push it a little down to make those holes aligned and they both are visible. We put both the screws back using a Phillips screwdriver. Now we will put this cover. The curved section comes on top. It has few brackets here and the taillight itself has few holes. So make sure all these three brackets are installed into those three holes. Once the cover is installed, now we will push the cover from all over the edge and you will hear clicking sounds coming out. Make sure you do this process multiple times so that the bracket is installed appropriately. This much seems perfectly fine. There we ended up replacing the taillight completely. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.